Archibald Strutter is back and better than ever. That's right, the animated chicken at the center of Archibald's Next Big Thing, a show inspired by the children's book of the same name from Tony Hale, Tony Biaggne, Victor Huckabee and Misty Manley, has a new home on Peacock, where a brand new iteration of the DreamWorks Animation project is launching tomorrow, Friday, February 19. Aptly titled Archibald's Next Big Thing is here, the show is the next chapter for not just Archibald, but his trusty sidekick Bea and his three siblings Sage, Finley, and Lo. Hale is once again at the helm of the series, serving as both an executive producer and voice actor. The Veep star will be joined by Adam Pally, The Mindy Project, Jordan Fisher, Dancing with the Stars, Hamilton, Chelsea Kane, Baby Daddy, Fishhooks, Kari Wahlgren, Ducktales, Rick and Morty, Casey Wilson, Happy Endings, and Academy Award-nominee Rosamund Pike, Gone Girl. Get to know some of the star's characters by watching E!'s exclusive sneak peek clip of Archibald's Next Big Thing is here below. Trending Stories 1 Breaking Morgan Stewart gives birth, welcomes first baby with Jordan McGraw 2 Travis Barker's ex reacts to him downgrading to Kourtney Kardashian. Serena Williams tearfully cuts interview short after Naomi Osaka loss in the video. The Strutters camping trip goes awry when the four kids stumble upon a tribe of primitive cave. An undercover mission ensues, and much to his siblings' surprise, Archibald gives the group a parting gift that may or may not change their course in history. Watch it all go down in the above clip, and don't miss the premiere of February 19th. Premiere of Archibald's Next Big Thing is here on P and Peacock are both part of the NBCUniversal.